Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about derivative of implicit functions, exponential functions and logarithmic functions. First we discuss derivatives of implicit functions. Dear students, until now we have been differentiating various functions given in the form y equal to fx. But it is now necessary that functions are always expressed in this form. For example, consider one of the following relationships between x and y. First, x minus y minus pi equal to 0, and second, x plus sin xy minus y equal to 0. Dear students, in case first we can solve the given relationship as we can write this y equal to pi x minus pi, that is y is equal to fx. In case 2, we cannot write the given relationship as y is equal to fx. So it is not easy way to solve for y. Now, if function fxy is said to be an implicit function, if it is not possible to write y exclusively as a function of x. To find the derivative of such implicit functions with respect to x, we use the fact that d by dx of fy equal to d by dy of fy into dy by dx. Here, first we differentiate fy with respect to y. Again, we differentiate y with respect to x. So, using this concept, we can solve the given questions written as in the implicit form. Find dy by dx if xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Here, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we have x dy by dx means in xy we use product rule. First function into d by dx of second means if we differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx plus second function into dy by dx of x, and this is equal to 1 plus y square. Using the above concept here, first we differentiate y square with respect to y, so we get 2y, and again we differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx, and this is equal to sec square x plus dy by dx. Here we transfer dy by dx on LHS and we take dy by dx as common, so we get x plus 2y minus 1 into dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y. So dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y by x plus 2y minus 1. Now we will discuss exponential and logarithmic functions. First we define exponential function. Let a be a real number such that a greater than 1. Then fx is equal to a to power x is called an exponential function. Dear students, the domain of exponential function equal to r and its range is r plus. When a is equal to e, it is an exponential function as fx equal to e to power x, and it is called natural exponential function. Logarithmic function, let a greater than 1. If a to the power y is equal to x, then logarithm of x with respect to the base a equal to y, means a to the power y equal to x if and only if log x to the base a is equal to y. Here if base is 10, that is log x to the base 10 is called common logarithm. And if base is e, that is log x to the base e, in this case this is called natural logarithm, and we denote it simply by log x. Now we discuss laws of logarithm. First, log xy equal to log x plus log y. Second, log x by y equal to log x minus log y. Third, log x to power n equal to n log x. Fourth, log x to the base a equal to 1 by log a to the base x. Here log x to the base x equal to 1 and log 1 equal to 0. Derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. d by dx of e to power x equal to e to power x. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of a to power x, that is d by dx of a to power x is equal to a to power x log a. Derivative of log x to the base a equal to, that is d by dx of log x to the base a equal to 1 by x log a. Now we will discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 5.4 from NCERT. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Question number 4, sin tan inverse e to power minus x, and question number 8, log of log x where x greater than 1. So first we solve question number 4. Let y equal to sin tan inverse e to power minus x. Put e to power minus x equal to t. Implies that tan inverse e to power minus x equal to tan inverse t, and tan inverse t equal to u. We suppose here, dear students, here we use chain rule. So we get y equal to sin u u is equal to tan inverse t and t is equal to e to power minus x. First, we differentiate y with respect to u. We get dy by d is equal to cos u equal to cos tan inverse t equal to cos tan inverse e to power minus x. Putting the value of t from above. Again, du by dt equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square 1 by 1 plus t square, and this is equal to 1 by 1 plus e to power minus x whole square. Here we put the value of t, and finally we get 1 by 1 plus e to power minus 2x. So dt by dx is equal to e to power minus x into minus 1, and this is equal to e to power minus x. So dy by dx, using chain rule, we get dy by du into du by dt into dt by dx, and this is equal to cos tan inverse e to power minus x into 1 by 1 plus e to power minus 2x into e to power minus x, and finally we get dy by dx is equal to e to power minus x cos tan inverse e to power minus x by 1 plus e to power minus 2x. This is the answer here. And again here we start question number 8, log of log x where x greater than 1. Dear students, here we will use again chain rule. Let y is equal to log of log x, and again log x is equal to t, so y is equal to log t. Therefore we have y is equal to log t and t is equal to log x. Differentiating with respect to t, we get dy by dt equal to 1 by t, and here t, this is with respect to x, so dt by dx is equal to 1 by x. Dy by dt is equal to 1 by log x, putting the value of t from above, and dt by dx is equal to 1 by x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Using chain rule here and putting the value of dy by dt and dt by dx from above, we get 1 by x log x where x greater than 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x where x greater than 1. Now we will discuss logarithmic differentiation. Dear students, in this section we will learn to differentiate certain special class of functions given in the form y equal to fx equal to ux to the power vx. Here take log on both sides, we get log y equal to log ux to the power vx, and this can be written vx log ux from this law, that is log x to power n equal to n log x. Again differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get log y, that is 1 by y dy by dx. Dear students, here this concept we use, d by dx of fy is equal to d by dy of fy into dy by dx. Using this concept here, first we differentiate log y with respect to y, so we get 1 by y, and y again is differentiated with respect to x, we get dy by dx. So this is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to vx into 1 by ux into ux plus log ux into vx. Here we use the product rule, Vx into log Ux. Product rule, first function dy by dx of second function. So d by dx of log Ux, we get 1 by Ux. Again we differentiate Ux, so we get U dash x plus second function log Ux into d by dx of first function, so we get V dash x. In this way we differentiate this function. So finally dy by dx is equal to, here y will be multiplied, we get y equal to Vx by Ux into U dash x plus Vx into log Ux. Dear students, here Fx and Ux must always be positive, means Fx and Ux should be positive always, and this process of differentiation is known as logarithmic differentiation. Here we will solve the questions of exercise 5.5 from NCERT. Question number 3. Differentiate the given function, that is log x to the power cos x. So here first we suppose here let y is equal to log x to the power cos x. Here taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of log x to the power cos x, and here this can be written as cos x log of log x, using this law, log x to power n is equal to n log x. According to this law, here we have written this. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by y into dy by dx from this concept, equal to, here using product rule, first function d by dx of second function, we get log x, again log x, we get 1 by x plus second function log of log x into d by dx of cos x, we get minus sin x. Therefore dy by dx here log x to the power cos x, here putting the value of y from above, this value, into cos x by x log x minus sin x log of log x, and this is the answer, that is dy by dx. Dear students, assignment is given, solve exercise 5.4 and 5.5 from NCERT. That is the remaining questions are homework for you. Thank you.